I've never expected to meet you at this place.
Step over to this side.
If Your Excellency take a step forward, you will be the first U.S. president to cross the border.
U.S. president to cross the border.
Get out of the way. Move. Clear. All of you. Clear. Take a picture here? No.
Hey.
Very good. Hey. Come on. Move. Wait till they move.
Come on.
Wait till they move. Thank you. Thank you, President. This is a great moment.
Big moment. Big moment. Big progress. Tremendous progress.
Yes, enough.
Okay, guys, come on. Come on. Straight, they're going straight. They're going straight.
I might have failed set.
I was in Japan, and then I was supposed to and you said yes. I said
Hey, Triple, well done. How do you feel?
feel great. It's a great honor to be here.
Stop.
As you can see, this shows that nobody has expected this moment.
Can't do anything.
I don't have a Mr. President, U.S. school right here. U.S. school right here.
Chairman Kim, how do you feel?
김 위원장님 어떻게 기분이 어떠십니까?
오늘 대통령이 물리설로
The fact that President Trump came over here and physically stepped foot onto our North Korean soil, this is a historic moment.
이 행동 자체만
This action in itself, you should not be looking at just this act,
가신 거는 다시
but
말하면
this has a lot of significance because it
좋지 않은 그
means
과거를 청산하고
that we want to bring an end to the unpleasant past and try to create a new future. So it's a very courageous and determined act.
I said, hey, I'm over here. I want to call up Chairman Kim. And we got to meet, and stepping across that line was a great honor. A lot of progress has been made. A lot of friendships have been made, and this has been in particular a great friendship. So I just want to thank you.
We interrupt your programming. You are listening to the emergency alert system. This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government in association with the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. 3 weeks ago at around 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the United States Navy witnessed a group of unidentified flying objects hovering nearby the International Space Station. It is now confirmed that these objects are of extraterrestrial origin, and are now currently hovering above the North American airspace. These flying objects are described as oval-shaped, dark purple in color, and have multiple flashing lights. At this time, it is unknown if these extraterrestrial vessels are hostile towards humans. Nonetheless, all residents of the United States are now advised to shelter within their homes, lock all doors and barricade all windows. Go to the bottommost floor of the house, such as a basement or ground floor. Be sure to bring food, water, warm clothing, and a battery-powered radio. Do not open the door for anyone unless they are a family member or a civil authority. Do not go outside, as doing so may put you at risk. The United States National Guard and the United States Air Force will confront the extraterrestrial vessels. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation. You are listening to the Emergency Alert System. All regularly scheduled programs will cease at this time to participate in broadcasting the Emergency Alert System.
It was very quick notice, and I want to thank you.
내가 지금 얘기하고 싶은 거는 아주 무한한 영광이다라는 얘기입니다. 내가 G20에 왔다가 한국에 오게 되니까 그러면 김 위원장한테 전화를 하고 연락을 해서 한번 만나야 되겠다라고 했습니다. 그러니까 오랜 통보를 하지 않았는데도 즉각 응답해 주셔서 대단히 감사드립니다. 우리는 지금까지 아주 엄청난 많은 진전을 이루었다고 생각합니다. 그리고 영광입니다.
So we're going to go inside. We're going to talk for a little while about different things, and a lot of really positive things are happening, and I'm glad you could be here to see it. But tremendous positivity, really great things are happening, and in a lot of places. But we met and we liked each other from day one, and that was very important.
조금 있다가 우리가 시간을 보내서 서로 그 얘기를 좀 할 예정입니다. 지금까지 우리는 대단한 그러한 진전을 이루었습니다. 우리는 서로 만나자마자 서로 아주 느낌이 좋았습니다. 그리고 서로 좋아하고 있습니다. 아마도 많은 진전을 이룰 수 있을 것 같습니다.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Oh, sorry. I would invite him right now. To the White House.
Guys, back. Stay behind me.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we've just witnessed quite a moment there. President Trump walking across the border from South Korea to North Korea, greeted by the North Korean leader Kim Jong-un, followed very quickly by Kim Jong-un crossing the border from north to south, welcomed by the U.S. President Donald Trump. And just for a moment there, both of them side by side, shoulder to shoulder, speaking about each other and this moment. President Trump called it a great honor to step across the border. He said a lot of progress has been made. He said about his personal relationship with Kim that we met and we liked each other. And he said that that is very important. Kim Jong-un, also a rare opportunity to hear directly from the North Korean leader. He said that this has a lot of significance in his words, that it means that we want to bring an end to the unpleasant past. He also praised the U.S. president as courageous for making this moment happen.